Meaning of manic.
Manic. Manic.
Adjective. Definitions. 1. Suffering from mania. Characterized by excessive enthusiasm, excitement, or energy. 2. Characterized by or showing an unreasonable or excessive enthusiasm for something. Examples. 1. She became manic about the new project, working day and night to get it done. 2. The crowd was manic with excitement as the rock band took the stage. Noun. Definitions. 1. A person who is manic or suffers from mania. 2. A phase or period of mania in someone's mental health. Examples. 1. The doctor specialized in treating manics with bipolar disorder. 2. The patient experienced a manic during which she slept very little and talked constantly.
Manic. Manic.